Welcome to AutoSheet. In this video, we are going to learn about for each. In last video, we have learned about like how you can get values from a sheet to an array and how you can um, put the values from array to sheet. So we are going to learn about for each function in this tutorial. So first you have to why you use for each. For each basically we use to assign any to change values from spreadsheet actually. So to use this, to use for each, first we'll take this range. This is range from this actually. So we'll take this range, and actually I have taken from till 3, right? Let me remove this so you can understand better. For each function element, first thing is element, so these are elements, then index, then array, is equal element. So the first element would be 0. Okay, so to get first element we have to assign 0. And element, second element would be this. Third element, okay, so this is the element that we need to assign. So now what I want, is to add 5 into each number. I want to add 5 into each number, so I can type like after, so it's in third, right? Add plus 5, and then what we have to do, like we have to set this, right? So in last function we already seen how you can set up this. Okay, let me redo it. So first take spreadsheet, get active sheet, active spreadsheet, get active sheet dot get range. So the range would be from 1, right, for first row. Okay, so I want to set up for from second row to from first column, and from second row, and from first column. So type 2, then range, this range dot length, and now we have to set value. Set values, and it would be also range. Okay, so let's say what will going to be happen. See, oh actually I made a mistake. We have to check in from here, right? From fifth row. From fifth row. And see, it added 5 in each for columns. Okay, so the range, I'm taking a wrong range, so I take it from this to this, and if I try to add this now, see, it has added like a +5 to each one. So this is how you can use for loop function